In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to buy from G2A. If you want to friends buy any product, digital product, for example, games or gift cards, just go to this platform and then choose this. If you, for example, want to buy FC26, click this one and then scroll down, click this option. You see this option here, just wait, click, just go back and then click this option, add your cart. After that, when you click add to cart, click yes, add to cart from here, and then go to cart option, click go to cart. After that, you will see this page, click create account for this email or something like this. If this is your item you want to buy, and click continue to checkout. After that, you will see this page, payment method page. Just wait to all the transaction. If you want to pay with your credit card, just select your credit card and click pay with credit card. After that, you have to very option to buy. You can use Skrill and PayPal and write your all details your credit card. If you want to buy, guys, through your if you want to buy through your PayPal, just click checkout, and then you will see your PayPal here. Click PayPal and complete pay with PayPal, and then you will log in your PayPal and pay these fees. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share.